Good morning and welcome to Module 4. I just wanted to touch base with you all to let you know that we are getting so close to the very end of the course. Next week we will be in Module 5. Wanted to remind everyone that all SimNet assignments will be due by Sunday at 11:55 p.m. There will be no exceptions. It's very important that you communicate any issues that you may be having with SimNet. As of today, I will start to put zeros in the grade book. Those zeros will have a reflection of where your grade stands as of today. Once you have completed all assignments within the SimNet, the gradebook will then automatically sync to SimNet, which will allow those grades to be updated to give you a real-time grade. As of right now, this week you should be working on your final project presentation, which will be due next week, and then you will then share that project with your class in the discussion. So it's going to be very important that you are keeping up with time management, communicating with myself. Remember that if you do not communicate, I don't know what is necessarily happening, and therefore I cannot help you. So as you are going through this week, reach out if you have any questions and continue to do a fantastic job and engaging in the classroom. Thank you and have a great rest of the week.